disgusting. But yeah, so I'm going to do this, and then yeah, I'll show you guys the video after. I know it's kind of disgusting what it looks like right here. But let's get started, shall we? I know you guys are probably thinking my room was a disaster, which it is. But thank you guys for tuning in. More vlogs will come out tomorrow and on Monday. But stay tuned for next time. Bye.